welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter Richardson. Today we want to discuss a rule in mathematics known as zero exponent rule, which I also like to call at times the power of zero rule. And what does this rule mean in mathematics? It means that anything other than zero itself raised to power zero will be equals 1 in mathematics. That is, if you raise any figure, any digit to the power of 0 other than 0 itself in mathematics, it will give you 1. So we call that zero exponent rule. That is, e.g., 5 raised to power 0 is 1, x raised to power 0 is 1, 2xy all raised to power 0 is 1, 1 all over 3 all raised to power 0 is 1. So the question is, how can we prove this in mathematics? Of course, it's a rule that is generally known under law of indices, but how can we prove this rule in mathematics? Well, let's look at this. Let me take this example for this first one. For example, if I have 5 raised to the power of 0 to give me 1, how can I prove truly that 5 raised to the power of 0 is 1? Well, look at it this way. There are 2 ways I can prove it. I will prove this. Now, if I have 5 divided by 5, what is the answer? 1. Is that not so? Do you agree with that? Good. It's simple division. Now, what if I tell you that the power of each of this one, both the numerator and the denominator is 1 and 1? Do you believe that? Good. So if you use our division law under law of indices, you can therefore say this becomes 5, 1 minus 1. Is that not so? Good. Now, what is 5 raised to power 1 minus 1 is what? 5 raised to power 0. And what is our answer? Is 1. You can see this leads to this and give us this answer back. So this is one way we can prove it. There's another way I can also prove this. Now, if I have 5 raised to power, let's say, raised to power 4, for instance, 5 raised to power 4, what does it give me? 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. And 125 times 5 is 625. So it gives me 625. Now, what if I reduce this power from 4, I reduce it to 3. So I reduce it by 1. That means 5 raised to power 3. And of course, we all know that 5 raised to power 3 means that I have already removed one of the 5. So let's divide this by 5. 625 divided by 5 give us 125. Isn't it? Good. Now, let's go further. Let's do this further. Here I have 5 raised to power 2. That means I will also be divided by 5. I will remove one of the 5 because there are 3 5s that multiply 8. Is that also? That gives us 25. Is that also? Now, if I also reduce it by 1, becoming 5 raised to power 1 also means I will divide this 5 by 25 by 5. What does that give us? It gives us 5. Isn't it, class? Good. Now, if I reduce it further by saying 5 raised to power 0, that means I'm dividing 5 by 5. And what is 5 divided by 5? Of course, the answer is 1. Is proved. It has been proved. So here is how you can prove that anything other than 0 raised to 0 in mathematics will always give you 1. Thanks for staying tuned. Like this video, comment, subscribe, so that whenever I post a new video in mathematics, you can always receive the update. Thank you very much for your time.